Hello, and welcome to my channel. My name is Bronzy, just in case you guys didn't know. And if you're new, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and let's go ahead and get started with this video. So as you can see, I would like to say thank you to Beetles for sending me these beautiful gel polishes. They do come, this is a new gel polish kit, well set, and it is 20 in the box, and the gel polishes are called Beetles Coastal. I'm sorry, it's not called Beetles, but it's called Coastal Twilight gel polishes. And right here I am showing you everything that comes in the box, how the box look. The packaging is beautiful. It says be bold, be me, be Beetles. And this is my first time actually using Beetles gel polish. I think I used their top coat. I don't think I ever had anything from Beetles. And yeah, so this is the directions of how to use it, the gel polishes, and this is their social media, just in case you guys want to check them out if you haven't already, but I'm pretty sure most of you have checked them out. And yeah, so we're going to go ahead and open this package up. So I'm going to show an insert of how the gel polishes look. There are a couple of them that are color change with the temperature. Like I guess it changed from it changed from warm to cold. And here I am showing you the application guide of the instruction, not the application guide, but it's like the instructions. And look at that. I don't know if you can see that, but it says my secret tips. If you want to pause the video and check that out. I was like, ooh, nobody ever had secret tips in their manual, in their guide. But if you guys want to pause the video and check that out, you can. And it also has frequently asked questions, and it also tells you why your gel polishes will bubble or they will wrinkle. It gives you suggestions, and it also gives hints on how to remove it, and it also gives you helpful tips. Alright, so we're going to go ahead, and I'm not going to open up all of the gel polishes, but it does come in a 5 ml. The bottles are kind of small, but that's okay because it looks like it would last a long time, but it's okay. And it also comes with a top coat, a foundation, which is base gel, and it also comes with a matte top coat. Alright, so I thought this little container was very cute. I am going to keep this. Normally I would throw things away, but I'm going to keep this. I'm just going to keep the gel polishes in there. You know, it's like a good storage for my gel polishes. Alright, so once again, I'm showing you the 3 polishes that it comes with. I will be showing you the consistency of those, and I will be giving you my review at the end of the video if I don't give it throughout the video, because normally I say at the end, but 9 times out of 10 I'll be doing it throughout the video. But the consistency of the top coat, I do love it because it's kind of thick, and I do like the thick top coats. And yeah, so I'm just showing you guys what it looks like. Alright, so I thought this purple was really cute, so I'm just going to go ahead and swatch these. And like I said, I'm not going to swatch all of them. I'm just going to swatch, I believe, like 4 of them. But I do swatch all of them, but I did do that off camera, and I will be showing you how they look. So I will let you go ahead and watch the swatches, and I will be back. You know, it's very ironic how I picked the purple out of the gel polishes. Is because you all know that purple is my favorite color, and I like that other purple that I just swatched, and then this one right here Girl, look at those chunky glitters. Those are very, very beautiful. Look at that. And I do the second swatch, the second coat off camera. But they need to start making more things in purple, I believe. Like, they need to start making more things in purple. Kiara Sky makes a lot of stuff in purple. Make it like in purple and pink and like baby blue. But I think other companies should make other stuff in purple too, because they have a lot of pink. This pink is really gorgeous, but purple is my thing. So but yeah, like I said, I did do the second coat off camera, and these are all other polishes swatched, and they are really, really beautiful. I was getting ready to tell you guys how I feel about the gel polishes, but I'm gonna go ahead and tell you guys, but because I know I'm not going to save it at the end. So my thoughts on these gel polishes are, I really like them. They're really creamy, and they're some of them you don't even have to do 2 coats because of the thickness. And but there was like, I don't know, it every time like I will put the polish on, it will kind of make like little bubbles. I don't know why it kept doing that. If you know why it does that, or if any of the Beetles gel polishes have done that to you, please let me know. I don't know what was going on with that, but it was like really getting on my nerves. But you know, I just kept it moving. But other than that, I really do enjoy these polishes. And like I said, some of them you didn't even have to do like 2 coats. And the color changers, those were really cute. I should have did a swatch on that one so you guys could see the color change. But if you are interested in getting these coastal set from Beetles, I will leave their link in the description box down below. I don't believe I have a discount code with them right now, but hopefully I will in the future. But you won't be disappointed if you do decide to get these gel polishes. They are really, really gorgeous, and yeah, I really did enjoy playing around with them and swatching them and doing this nail set. So I hope you guys do enjoy this nail set. So as you can see, I am putting on the base coat, because you know I put base coat on before I put on my gel polishes, and it was doing it here. I don't know if you can see it. You probably won't be able to see it, but there was like little tiny bubbles. I don't know why it was doing that, but yeah. So here I'm just putting on my base coat, and then I cure that for 30 seconds, and then I will go ahead and apply my the gel polish. And I'm sorry, these nail tips, I did get them off of Amazon, and I just want to, you know, kind of touch on these nail tips. Girl, these nail tips these nail tips are, they are my favorite. They are full cover, and oh my god, they are 3XL. And these are my first time using these nail tips, and I really love these nail tips. These are my favorite, so I'm definitely gonna go back to Amazon and stock up on these nail tips, because like, yo, they were really light on my fingers. And at first I was like, damn, do I have any nails on? It felt like I had no nails on my fingers. That's how light they were. Some of the other nail tips that you use, like the full covers, they are kind of heavy, but these were really light, and I really did enjoy these. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and let you guys continue to watch me apply these gel polishes to these nails, and I will be back when it's time for the decoration. Do you see that teal? The teal is really, really gorgeous. It's so creamy. Like, I thought the teal, I'm sorry, it's not teal, it's actually mint green. Sorry about that. It's mint green, and this mint green is really, really gorgeous. It's so creamy, and I really enjoyed doing this nail set. I'm sorry if I went too far back. I was scratching my head, but yeah, I really did enjoy doing this nail set. So I hope you guys enjoyed it too. If you're still with me, if you're still with me and on this video, please put a let's see, let's do a flower. Do a flower in the comments if you're still with me at this point. But yeah, so we're here for the decorations and those flowers that you did see. I know it was kind of quick, but I did get those from the Glam and Glitz monthly subscription box. They do have some really beautiful things in their subscription box. So if you do decide, I will leave their link at the bottom if you if you decide you want to purchase their monthly box. And I am using this DIY gel from Nail Couture to adhere my gems on my hands. Usually I would use top coat because I'm just going to pop these nails off anyway, but I decided I wanted to go ahead and use the DIY. So, and after I did this nail set, I took off those gems and I put them back into my container that they go in. But yeah, so I will let you guys go ahead and watch the rest of this video, and I hope you guys really do enjoy this video. So when I was doing these gems, when I was putting them on my finger, I did not know what I wanted to do. I did not know where I was going with it, but I just know I just wanted some gems up there. So this is kind of a freestyle with the gems. So I hope you guys like it. I liked it. I mean, I worked really hard on this. It may not seem like I did, but I worked really hard on this nail set. Like, I did not know where I was going. I did not know what I wanted to do, but I just know that I wanted these two colors. Well, actually I did not want these two colors. I didn't know what colors I wanted, but I'm glad I chose these two colors that I did. Sometimes I start talking so fast that I stumble on my words. Y'all know. But yeah, so I did, these gems. Look at that. That's so gorgeous. I think that is really pretty. Alright, so here we're going to be putting on these beautiful flowers and these beautiful hearts that I did receive from my GlitzAccessoriesandSuch monthly subscription box. Try to say that at one time. Yeah, I couldn't even say it one time, but try to say it 3 times. That's a tongue twister right there. But they do have some really good nail accessories that they give out of their monthly boxes. They give it like a lot of nail accessories, like these kind of stuff like that. They do give like acrylics, and they do gel polishes, 3D gels, 5D gels, and they also do transfer foils. They have a lot of beautiful transfer foils. And yeah, so I'm just putting that on right now. So I really do hope you guys enjoy this video. And I don't know, so I was looking at the nails and I was like, my pinky and my pointer finger, they looking kind of naked over here. So I decided to put some little hearts in on those. I don't know where I got these. I know that these hearts came from one of Makartt's boxes, or the monthly boxes that I used to get from Makartt. And so I decided to put these up there, and I thought that looked really cute. They didn't look too boring, or they didn't look lonely. They didn't look lonely anymore after I put the hearts up there. But yeah guys, so this video is coming to an end. I will be showing the how the set looked at the end. I will be putting on my cuticle oil and showing the end results. So I hope you guys do enjoy this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. It really helps me out. And I will see you guys on my next video. Until then, toodles!